My name is Bob Ranieri. I'm a licensed mental health counselor. I work with individuals and couples to help them address some of the challenges they face going through life.
From your experience, what are some of the most common factors that contribute to family breakdown today?
Lack of communication.
What barriers do parents commonly face when trying to solve their marital issues?
One of the big challenges is sometimes they're afraid of talking about what they're going through for fear they might be judged. So I know when I work with couples, I try to let them know right up front that there's no judgment. Basically, let's talk about situations so we can understand what's going on and find ways to make it better.
Do you see differences in how support systems respond to mothers versus fathers?
There tends to be a bias that favors the mothers.
How does financial pressure affect a parent's ability to complete court-ordered programs or services?
That's normally a big issue there because a lot of times they don't have the funds in order to allow them to either get further education or to provide babysitting services so that they can take more opportunities to get better jobs and increase their family income.
What impact does losing stable housing have on one parent's ability to reunify with their children?
That becomes a big issue because their concern is providing for their family, and if they can't do that, basically they're very untethered in anything else going on in their life.
What type of community support make the greatest difference for families at risk?
I think just having someone they can talk to or a place they can go to get some advice and to be open to that advice that they receive.
What happens when families lack access to affordable services?
Then they have to rely on their own, and they may not be in a position to be able to address some of the issues going forward.
What do you wish the public understood better about families navigating this process?
I think that it's not something that they voluntarily found themselves in. It's something that happened to them. And basically we should try to find ways to help them get through the process so they can get back together with their families.
Why does this work matter to the broader community?
I think just as a general condition of society, we want to help make society better. And if there are families that are struggling, we should be able to find ways to help them along.
What message would you want policymakers to understand when designing systems that affect families?
I think to take some time and research really what the concerns are of the families and address those concerns directly rather than thinking that they know the answers to the problems. Actually spend time finding out exactly what the problem is.